It is 3 years. Can you believe that? 3 years. This is what I do when my hair gets old. It's a week and a few days old, so I'm always putting on my little black headband. But yeah, 3 years. It flew by. It really did. What can I say? I'm still loving it. Still haven't retwisted in forever. I need to dye it. I was gonna do it today, but I'm not. I don't know. We'll see. But anyway, yep, I just wanted to come in and show you guys what it's looking like. Okie dokie. I'm about to wash it. When it's you know, it's getting longer, so it gets in my face. Because you know, you guys, I wear like the part down the middle or whatever. That's pretty much how I wear it. But when it gets in my face, I'll just kind of put it in two little things at the top of my head or whatever. Oops. All right, yeah. So I'll just put it like in two little things at the top of my head. But anyway, I am about to wash it. I got the Trader Joe's, what am I talking about? The Head and Shoulders tea tree oil. So I'm going to try that one because I'm still using the Head and Shoulders. And yeah, we will see how it works. But yeah, that's it. I was just trying to tell you guys, when it gets, like when I'm around the house or whatever, this is what I'll do. Tie it in a knot like that so it won't be in my face. Anyway, tea tree oil, Trader Joe's. Here we go. I'm gonna try this. And then I think, since that's, what is this, 2-in-1. It's a shampoo and a conditioner. I'll still, you know what? Trying to think what I should do. I might just double up on the tea tree. So I might do the Giovanni. I think I will do the Giovanni. And then do the Head and Shoulders. I feel like I need like a lot of moisture. Let me go in here. You know how you have products and then like you don't use them for a while and now you're gonna go in and see what you got. Let's see. I had this one. This is the rinse. It says Nourish. Yeah, I might use this today too. Yeah, I'm gonna try this too. Because it's dull. To me, it's dull looking right now. And I need to dye it. That's why I dye it black. Because I want it to be... oh my gosh. I'm drawing a blank. I just want it to be like more... not dull, I guess. That's the word. Not dull. So anyway, I haven't dyed it yet. I will dye it though. Probably this weekend. I know I keep saying that, but I will. Alright. See you in a minute. Okay. So it definitely... Oops. Let me get this together. So it definitely feels moisturized. This is 3 years, you guys. Let me do a length check so we can see here. So, just straight. So that's 3 years. That's what this called. Side. Other side. And then back once again. Okay, and like you know before, like I've said before, my front grows shorter than the back. I think that might be normal for a lot of people. But anyway, so if I pull them all to the front, that's 3 years right there. Yep. All right, this is it straight. I never really wear them straight, so I am going to go ahead and braid them up like always. All right, so this is it. I got my braids, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, about 8. That was very fast. See? I did that in about 15 minutes. That is what I love about having locks. Low maintenance for me. They can definitely be high maintenance, but low maintenance for me. I am doing the least possible. So anyway, this will be up. I'll let it dry. I'll take it down. Shoot, I might wear it for like a day. I don't know. I'll see. Okay. Hey. Good morning, you guys. I am about to take out these braids that I have had in for 2 days. Yeah, 2 days. So I'm just finishing my makeup, headed to work. I love these braids. The only thing is that it takes a long time for them to dry, and as you know, I wear them up like in a ponytail with my little headband, so it's going to take, it takes a longer time for them to dry. So like 2 days is pretty much what it is, but that's fine. So let me just finish my makeup, and then we'll take these out. Another thing is they're so thick that when I sleep on them, it's a little uncomfortable. Move that back a little bit. So when I sleep on them, it's a little uncomfortable, but that's a small price to pay. One more thing. Okay. Just a little under eye. All right. Trying to think what I, oh, darn it, my battery. All right, we'll see how much I get of this. I'm gonna put some oil on my hair. Still rocking the Carol's Daughter. Love this stuff. I've been using this forever. When I had loose hair, I used it. It's so good. Let's see. Okay, so I changed my battery. So we're good now. Anyway, Carol's daughter. You know what? I was watching Marlo. You guys know Marlo Hampton on YouTube, on Real Housewives of Atlanta. I was watching her YouTube video yesterday because she's getting a hair transplant for her thinning edges. And I'm like, wow, that's pretty cool. So, my edges are like a little thin, as you can see, but it's not from this lock journey. It is from my first lock journey and my, before I had locks, when I would get braids. You guys know the story. I would get braids. I'm saying, you know the story, not for me particularly, but just for like black women in general. You get those braids. I remember this lady braided my hair. She took right here, edges, and put a braid like on my edges, like an individual. And so of course it took my edges out, like it made them thin. And then my first lock journey, oh honey, I was twisting I did a retwist probably every 2 weeks. And then I would wear these tight ponytails. I'm gonna have to see if I can find a picture for you guys. I would wear these tight ponytails. Very cute, might I add, very cute. But, oh, I would like literally, it would be like side ponytails, cute stuff. But I realized that I was making my edges worse, so that's why I stopped. So that is another reason for why this lock journey, I was like, you know what? This is gonna be low maintenance. I am not about to tax my edges like I have done all this time because I won't have any more. And I don't want to have to get a hair transplant. But anyway, Marlo's video, it was just the first one. I guess she posted it a few weeks ago, but it was just the very first one. It was when she got the procedure. It looks super painful. If I had to do it though, I definitely would. All right, I have moved to my phone. I have 3 camera batteries and they all died. So anyway, they were all dead. I hadn't charged them, obviously. But anyway, I was saying, I think it's Jasmine Rose. She had a transplant too. Did she have locks or natural hair? I can't remember. But anyway, she got her edges redone. I don't want to have to do that, you guys. So that is why I am trying to be careful and be mindful of my edges. I don't do ponytails a lot. I haven't done ponytails a lot with these locks. I think I will when they get longer, but I think I will when they get longer, but right now it's not long enough for me. I mean, I can do like a low bun or whatever. I can do a ponytail. I don't necessarily like the way that it looks yet. So I haven't done it, but when I do them, when I do pull it back, it's loose. It is loose, it is loose, it is loose. No more tight ponytails for me. Okay, trying to hurry up so I can get to work. So here's this. Oh gosh, camera, work with me today. I don't know what's going on. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna show you so I do always kind of comb up. Oh, my edges are dry. So see? I feel like this side is a little worse than this side, because this is the side I used to pull over like that. That's the side I used to pull over. I do sometimes use the Jamaican black castor oil if I have time or whatever, like at night. I'll kind of like put it on my edges. Kind of get that in there. Like so. Ow, 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 bracelet. Okay. But anyway, this is it. Oh my gosh, I need to dye it so bad. Okay. This bounce ain't gonna last, it'll drop, but that's fine, because I like them wavy. I'm trying to rush. Sometimes I'll try to like take some of the, you see how that's like a little flyaway or whatever? Try to wrap it around there, but anyway, okay, I'm gonna be late. I'm gonna be late for work. I'm gonna go. So, my. All right. Yeah. Okay. That's it. Bye.